Let us know in a comment below, what is your fear about buying a sublimation printer? If you have one, in order to make some useful videos in the future. Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best sublimation printer. So I made the list from personal opinion, in hours of research, and I've included different options for every type of buyer. As always, all links to the product mentioned in the video will be in the description box, down below. And we update the links for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So, here are the top 5 sublimation printers. The fifth product on our list is Canon Selphy CP1300 wireless compact photo printer with AirPrint. Our pick for the best budget sublimation printer. It is available at around $100. You can find it cheaper if you buy it in a used condition. This machine produces respectable 4 inches by 6 inches prints, from a Bluetooth connected smartphone, tablet, or computer. The machine itself is about the size of a thick novel. The LCD screen is very easy to see, and the controls are simple and pretty much self-explanatory. It's also fun that you can get an accessory battery pack for this, which means you could take it to a party or a friend's house, and just print things on the fly. Printing is of the dye sublimation variety, which makes for good photo print quality. The paper is passed through the printer 4 times, once for each of cyan, magenta, yellow, and once for a clear coating. Prints dry immediately and they are rated to last 100 years. Each print takes around 60 seconds, which is a lot faster than comparable printers from other brands. The Canon Selphy CP1300 has 2 consumables, the paper and the ink cassette, but they come in a pack together. The machine only comes with a test cartridge that will make a few prints, so it makes sense to purchase a full package when you buy it. Printing from an iPhone, iPad, or Android device can be done over Wi-Fi via a dedicated app from Canon. Also, printing directly from a USB device or SD card is easy, as the printer has both of these ports. In addition to various layouts, the CP1300 offers a few editing controls such as cropping, skin smoothing, brightness contrast color adjustments, and red-eye correction, as well the ability to choose bordered or borderless prints and add camera shooting dates. Some of the pros of this product include the excellent print quality. It has a large color LCD screen. Lightweight and portable. Relatively low cost per print for its class. Connects via USB, Wi-Fi, or a direct wireless connection. And the best pricing. However, some cons for this product do not include a mini USB Type-B cable. And it uses Epson cartridges only. Overall print quality from the Canon Selphy CP1300 is very good. Colors are, for the most part, rich and accurately reproduced. Some of the test prints looked better than many we've seen from the do-it-yourself kiosks in local stores. Up next in the 4th place is HP OfficeJet Pro 9025. This is our pick for the fast prints. It is available at around $300. I really like its automatic double-sided printing and copy feature. It definitely saves a lot of time from having to do it manually. The dual input paper trays are great, no more having to swap between your 2 paper types every time you go from photo prints to document prints. You just load your normal paper in tray 1 and photo paper in tray. This business all-in-one is not petite. Measuring 12.5 by 17.2 by 15.6 inches, it is significantly larger than a typical home office all-in-one, and looks the part of an office workhorse. The build feels sturdy. Compared to other all-in-one inkjets, the OfficeJet Pro 9025 had the fastest print speed to date on text documents, at 12.9 pages per minute. Like its printing, the OfficeJet's copying was extremely fast. It made color copies and black and white copies faster than any other model we've tested. The OfficeJet 9025 made a color copy in just 12.5 seconds, less than half the average time of 27.6 seconds. The OfficeJet Pro 9025 is slow to start up, taking about 39 seconds for the control panel's touchscreen to display its home screen. That does not mean it is ready to begin a task, however. The OfficeJet Pro 9025 delivers high image quality across the board. Letterforms in text prints look dark and sharp, though not quite as sleek and razor sharp as the edges in laser prints. Scan quality is similarly high. Scans of magazine graphics and text documents look sharp and accurate, and scans of photos faithfully reproduced colors. Some of the pros of this product include excellent build quality, great printing speed, sheet-fed scanner with duplex scanning. However, a con for this product is that the mobile app can't print Microsoft Office files. Ink costs are low, 3.3 cents and 13.2 cents per text page, and mixed text and color graphics page. These costs are very favorable compared with the category averages of 7.4 cents and 20.3 cents. The third product on our list is Epson Expression Photo HD XP 15000. Our pick for best wide printing. It is available at around $500. The economical Epson Expression is a great choice for photographers looking to expand their print capabilities but not their credit card balance. The Expression's color prints are vibrant and crisp, and this quality is largely maintained across all size formats. This machine can print on photo sheets ranging in size from 4 inches by 6 inches to 13 inches by 44 inches, making large panoramic renderings possible. This machine will kick out a 4 inches by 6 inches color photo in just 36 seconds, way below the average for the class. Additionally, it can hold up to 50 sheets of photo paper. These two features make photo album printing and the like more manageable. The cassette is located below the print tray and accessed via a drop-down panel. The cassette has adjustable sliders plus marked positions for 4x6 inch and 5x7 inch sheets. It will also accept papers longer than A4 size, notably legal papers that measure 8.5 by 13 inches for which a pull-out guide is provided. It's remarkably compact and frankly elegant. You must install the Epson drivers to take full advantage of all the paper, ink, and quality modes. You must adjust the printer settings to the output, not use just a program directly. The network installation is a snap, and all features available on your PC after driver install. Firmware updates from the printer or the computer. We can say that the colors are super accurate, the blacks are black and the details are 100% there. The prints are pigment archival, so you know it's going to maintain its image quality for a long time. The pictures are of professional quality, and the ink dries fast. The printer interface panel is small and old style but intuitive, and it automatically walks you through the setup process. Some of the pros for this product includes cost-effective printing, it can handle A3 and tabloid size media. Print wirelessly. Sensational performance on photo paper. However, a con for this product is the price, compared with the other printers. If you are looking for high-quality prints, I would definitely put this one on your list of considerations. You can now print from anything in your home that has a wireless connection. The second product on our list is Kodak Photo Printer Dock. This is our pick for the best instant photo printer. It is available for around $120. Out of the box and disassembled, the dock measures 6.5 inches from side to side, 2.7 inches high, and 3.9 inches from front to back, and it weighs 1.7 pounds. After you connect the paper tray, its depth, front to back, nearly triples. There's a recessed area on top with a micro USB port protruding just above the recess. This is the dock for cradling your smartphone and connecting it to the printer. Kodak also includes a micro USB to Lightning adapter for connecting an Apple iPhone. The indentation is wide enough to hold most smartphones, including the plus-size iPhones. Besides printing basic images, you can also have some fun with the app. You can adjust the quality image, as you would with an online photo editing program, and add text, stickers, and even fancy borders. The 4 inches by 6 inches photo paper, plus the cartridge, comes in at $19.99 for packs of 40 sheets. Prints are going to set you back 50 cents each before you've bought the printer. Just like the mini printers, this Kodak model uses the all-in-one cartridges. These cartridges include both ink and paper in one, so you'll never wind up running out of ink midway through a print. Despite the fact that these cartridges are much larger than those of the mini printers, the cost is actually much lower. For us, the most impressive thing about print quality was how well the colors blend together. You don't get that ugly banding you see with inexpensive inkjet printers, and lines stayed sharp and clear. Looking at the prints made from this printer versus ones we'd made on a cheaper model felt like we just moved to a Retina display from a standard model. Not only do these prints look great now, but they're rated to last for a very long time. Some pros for this product include good print quality. Easy to use, uses your smartphone as its control panel. Excellent app for printing and editing photos. Prints from USB thumb drives. Docking, Wi-Fi direct, and USB connectivity. However, a con for this product is that, while it comes with a battery included, this dock printer requires AC power at all times. This is an attractively designed printer. It feels much more modern than a standard photo printer, with sleek lines and a sharp contrast between the black and gray portions. Finally, our top sublimation printer is the Epson Workforce WF7710 wireless wide format color inkjet printer. This is our pick for the best overall sublimation printer. You can get it for around $800. The Epson Workforce WF7710 is a wide format printer designed to be a middle ground between high quality art prints and everyday document printing. This Epson Workforce is for anyone who needs the ability to print documents and photos larger than legal size. Epson has some of the best printing and scanning quality in the entire printing industry. The Epson Workforce WF7710 has a max print resolution of 2400 dpi, which is double most all-in-one printer. The Epson Workforce has a scanner with a max resolution of 4800 dpi. It also has great color and contrast replication. This means you'll get the best quality scans possible, up to 13 inches by 19 inches in size. This printer takes the Epson 252 and 252 XL cartridges. These cartridges are a good middle ground between in-store pricing and cost per page. You pay a medium amount and get a medium amount of pages. The Epson Workforce has some drawbacks, but overall is a very solid wide format printer for posters, artwork, and the occasional document printing. USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi connectivity. Mobile printing is also supported via the Epson Connect solution. Within the Epson Connect are the following features: email print, a print mobile app, and remote print. The monthly duty cycle is up to 20,000 pages, but Epson recommends printing no higher than 1,300 pages per month. Scanning is done via a color CIS sensor. It supports scan to PC, scan to cloud, scan to email, scan to flash drive, and scan to PDF. These are fantastic printers for anyone looking to go beyond A4. A typical A4 sheet of paper is 8.3 by 11.7 inches. With the Epson WF7710, you can print borderless copies up to 13 by 19 inches. You can also scan 11 by 17 inches thanks to the wide format design. Some pros for this product include a large, easy-to-use control panel. Good overall print quality. Prints up to 13 by 19 inch pages. Scans, copies, and faxes multi-page, two-sided originals up to 11 by 17 inches. Auto-duplexing ADF and scanner. However, a con for this product is that it has only one paper cassette. In terms of replacement ink, Epson offers both standard and high-capacity ink in 4 individual cartridges. It also offers an extra high-capacity black ink cartridge with a yield of 2,200 pages. We've done our cost per page calculations based on the yield and prices of the extra high-capacity black and high-capacity yellow cyan magenta cartridges. Therefore, the cost per page is 3.1 cents in black and 11.3 cents in color. Thank you for watching it. And that's all for now. Hope to see you now in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.